Guys, I've been looking and I saw this thread on Reddit, and I saw where these guys were acting like they had found gold. They saw these snippets of people actually using newspaper and glass cleaner to clean windows. And they're like, is that really a thing? Yes, that's really a thing. When I started in the industry 32 years ago, now look, I know that's giving it away. I'm a little bit older than everybody else doing this, right? Maybe, not for some. But we actually used to use newspaper for cost effectiveness, but it actually worked. And back in those days, all we really had was terry cloth towels. We would cut up bath towels and kitchen towels. We didn't have all this split 37-way microfiber towels for this and that. We had newspapers. So I'm gonna actually show you, just for fun, but maybe you're working on a car somewhere and you just don't have what you wanna use, but you wanna get it clean, and maybe your grandma or grandpa's got an old stack of newspaper in the garage and you're like, I think I'll try that. Well, I'm gonna show you how it works. So you need a non-ammoniated glass cleaner. Then on your newspaper, you wanna find it to where there's not a lot of color, because the color will bleed. And the color will actually bleed on some types of plastics, vinyls, maybe even leather. So you really want to be careful when you're rubbing and wiping, but this actually works. So you want to find a piece that has a minimal amount of color, which this here looks pretty good on this side. So I'll actually take and fold this. I can let that go, I don't need it. And then, oh, the breeze is blowing it out. Let's lay that down. We'll find us one more piece. Yeah, right here. So this is all we're gonna need for the moment. So we throw that down, throw this down, and now, this day and time, I'm just gonna lay this inside. You know, on the microfiber, you like to make sure the corners touch and fold it. Don't do that. The best thing to do is wad that thing up and get you a good surface, and you're ready. It's not all this fine, fancy things for the show. Spray your glass cleaner on pretty good. Now look, it's gonna wet up pretty quickly, your paper is. They make them a lot thinner now than they used to back in the day. And you still wanna do the same method, right? You rub it in, you box it in, and you wipe it off. Now you see? Now you can see through to the other side. It's all technique too. It's all form. There you have it. Crystal clean and clear. Everything is absorbed on the paper. As I was discussing earlier with my colleagues, these things used to be, so like if your paper is 12 inches wide, they used to be about 18 to 20 inches wide, and probably 3 times this thickness. Now this paper, I can actually use it one more time on the inside. So something to be mindful of now is tint on the windows. Not really safe for window tint. You could get an edge, you could move it, you could actually put a little nick or a scratch in it. So we have to make sure there's no tint on the windows before we use them. And you can, I don't want to say you can't use it on tint, but you got to be very careful if you don't know what you're doing. Again, now on the inside, it's not going to take as much. The outside was real dirty. I got me a little bit there. Going to move their little duckies since it's a Jeep. And again, we're just going to do the box in method. And there's still a little in the corner where my paper was a little bit wet. So I gotta go back and kind of fog that in like you do with your microfiber towel to make sure there is no streaks. But look, these things are amazing to use. Come back in, fog that down, and there you have it. And another good thing is you don't have to rewash these things. You just throw it in the trash can, and you move on to the next piece of paper. So as you can see, it really works. It's very simple. It is very effective. If you have a very high volume shop, maybe it's not something that's your ideal go-to, but when you're a one-on-one guy at your house and you're trying to do a great job, these things are magnificent to clean the glass with, and you'll be surprised how clean they come, but how long they stay clean, because the paper will actually absorb all of your moisture, all of your cleaner, and all of the outgassing, all of the dust and dirt that's on the glass. It'll actually absorb it into the paper and carry it away and not just push it around. So listen, if you like this, like, share, subscribe. Look, try it and leave us a comment. We would love to know your feedback. Again, it's all fun and games, but you can see it really, really works. And if you really want to know today's techniques on how to clean a glass, somewhere in one of the corners on this thing is going to be a link to take you of how we do it today, the proper tools and chemicals to use. So please go there and watch today's times on how we clean glass.